Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to leave a Jitsi Meet meeting step by step. Leaving a meeting is quick and simple, whether you're using a computer, Android device, or iPhone, so let's get started. First, make sure you've finished your discussion or presentation and that you no longer need to stay in the meeting. If you're the meeting host, remember that leaving doesn't necessarily end the meeting for everyone else unless your server is configured to do so. Next, look at the meeting toolbar near the bottom of the screen. Yeah, you'll see several meeting controls, including your microphone, camera, chat, and the leave button. Now click or tap the red phone or leave meeting button. As soon as you select it, you'll immediately disconnect from the meeting and return to the Jitsi Meet home screen or close the meeting window, depending on the device you're using. If you leave by mistake, don't worry. As long as the meeting is still active and you have the meeting link or room name, you can simply rejoin by opening the same invitation link or entering the same meeting name again. Finally, if you're using a shared or public computer, close your browser tab or sign out of any associated services after leaving the meeting to help protect your privacy. And that's it. You now know how to leave a Jitsi Meet meeting safely and rejoin later if needed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next